Class, myself Jasprit Kaur, and today we will continue with the topic linear equation with one variable. Now our question is sum of two number is 74, one of two number is 10 more than the other number, then find the number. I repeat, sum of the two number is 74, one of the two number is 10 more than the other number, then find the two numbers. So here we had let the first number be x. Now the one of the two number is 10 more the other number. So the second number will be x plus 10. So according to the given condition, sum of the two number is 74. So x plus 10 is 74. 2x plus 10 is equal to 74. Now 2x will be equal to 74 minus 10. Here 10 is transferred to the right hand side and we are left with 64 upon 2, 32. So the first number will be 32 and the second number will be 10 more than 32, that is 42. So our first number is 32, second number will be 32 plus 10, that is 42. Now let's do the second question. What should be added to twice the rational number minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7? Now we should add something twice the rational number of this. Now first of all, what are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are the number of the form p upon q such that q is non-zero and GCD of p and q is 1 and p and q belongs to some integers. Now what are the integers? Integers are the numbers which are from minus infinity to positive infinity. That is minus infinity, 5, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. These are the set of integers. Now here p and q are some integers such that q should never be equal to 0. Now we have a condition that we have to add something to twice the rational number. So according to the given condition, let us suppose we add a number equal to x. Now according to the condition, we should add twice the rational number minus 7 by 3. Now after the addition of two number, we get 3 by 7. Now x minus 14 by 3 equal to 3 by 7. So after solving, x equal to 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3. So here whenever we transfer any fraction to some another side, then negative will be changed into positive sign. So here we take LCM. Since denominator of two numbers are different, so we take LCM. Plus 9 107 by 21. So this is your answer. Now let's do third question. Perimeter of a rectangle is 13 cm and width of a rectangle is 2:3 by 4 cm. Now find its length. So we will proceed according to the given condition that perimeter of rectangle 13 centimeter. We have perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter. Now here perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter. Width of a rectangle is 2:3/4 centimeter. So perimeter of rectangle has a formula 2 times L plus B. Here width is given to us at 2:3/4. Value of perimeter is 13 centimeter. 2 times L plus width is 2:3/4. So we will take 2 to the left hand side. Now solve it. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 11. Taking 11/4 to the left hand side. Now taking LCM. Is 15/4. So value of length is 15/4. Now in this question the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years their ages will be added to 66 years. Now find their present age. These type of questions are very important for the examination point of view. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Now let us suppose the present age of Sahil X. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So mother's age will be present Sahil's mother's age will be 3x. Now according to the condition after 5 years their ages will be added to 66 years. After 5 years both of them ages will be x plus 5 and 3x plus 5 respectively. That is, this is the age of Sahil and this is the age of Sahil's mother. Now according to the condition after adding 5 years their ages will be added to 66 years. So x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, this is equal to 66. 4x plus 10, this is equal to 66. 4x equal to 66 minus 10, 56. So x is 56 by 4, 14. So age of Sahil will be 14 years. Present age of Sahil is present age of Sahil is 14 years. So present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times Sahil's age. That is 42 years. That's all. Now here, the three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they are adding up to 74. Then find the three integers. Here we had given the condition of three consecutive integers. Consecutive integers are their difference will be 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the consecutive integers. Difference of 2 and 1 is 1. Difference of 3 and 2 is 1. So these kind of numbers are consecutive numbers. Now, the three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they are add up to 74. Find the three numbers. Let us suppose the three consecutive integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2 respectively. Now, according to the condition that they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. So, first number will be multiplied by 2, second will be multiplied by 3 and next will be multiplied by 4. So, according to the condition that when they are added up to 74, that means 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 plus 4 times x plus 2, their addition is equal to 74. Now, 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 4 2s are 8, 74. Now we will add the like terms 2x, 3x and 4x. This will become addition of these are 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9x, 3 plus 8 11. This will be equal to 74. Now 11 will be transferred to the right hand side. 74 minus 11, 63. So 9x is 63. X is 63 divided by 9. After getting, we get x equal to 7. Now value of x plus 1 and x plus 2 will be 7, 8 and 9. X plus 1, so 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 2, 9. So hence we get the value of the three consecutive integers as 7, 8 and 9. Let us do one more question. Ram's father age is 26 years younger than Ram's grandfather age and 29 years elder than Ram. Then sum of the ages of 3 is 135. Find their individual ages. Let age of Ram's father equal to x. Ram's father is 26 years younger than grandfather. So, grandfather age x plus 26. Now age of Ram x, the elder, x minus 29. These ages are taken in opposite sense as given in the statement. The reason is that if you want to take the age of Ram will be x, then it is very difficult to take the ages of the age of father and the respective grandfather. So to solve that problem, we will taking that Ram's father age is x, because Ram's father is lying between Ram and Ram's grandfather. Now, sum of the ages of all the three is 135. So, taking sum x plus 26 plus x minus 29, that is 135. Now, adding the like terms, 3x minus 3, 26 minus 29, that is minus 3. 135. 3x is 135 because it is negative in the left hand side. Whenever we are transferring to the right hand side, it will be in addition form. So that will become 138. So value of x is 138 by 3. So age of Ram's father will be 46. Now grandfather's age will be x plus 26, that is 46 plus 26. It will become 72, and age of Ram will be x minus 29, that will be 46 minus 29, 17 years. So Ram's age will be 17, his father's age will be 46, and his grandfather's age will be 72. And solve.